Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mathics. Today we have a fun question to do. This diagram is composed entirely of semicircles. The diameter of each of the 8 smallest semicircles, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, is exactly 1/4, means 1/4, of the diameter of the 2 biggest semicircles. Like the biggest ones are these, right? So it's giving us a ratio between the radiuses, right? It's saying that this from here to here is 4 times, let's go all the way because the question says from here to here is 4 times of here to here. Okay. We could also make them half. We know that if diameters are 4 to 1, okay, the radiuses are also 1 to 4, and here it will also be 1 to 4. Okay, some people would write this R, and then this would be 4R. Okay, but I wouldn't do that because it's a test, and we just want to be really quick. So I would just choose this, select this 1, then this radius will be 4. Now, what fraction of the large circle is shaded? Okay, so first we want the area of the large circle. We know that the formula for areas of circles is pi. Okay, it's going to be pi. R squared will be the area. Okay, so we're going to use that. So the area will be 4. The area of the circle would be 16 pi. I'm going to write it here. So we'll have 16 pi over here. Okay. Now, what is the area of, see, these are small little circles. See, we have 1 of these, 2, 3, and then these together will be 4. And we know that the radius here was 1. So area of each one will be pi 1 squared, which will be pi. So these 4 will be 4 pi. Okay, I'm going to write them here. So we'll have 4 pi plus. The areas that we need to have is this part now, right? How to find this part? Do you know? Is there a formula for this weird shape? Yes, there is. Well, if we find the area of this semicircle, right? If I want to find this, the area of this pink part, and minus it by the area of this smaller one, we'll get the orange area. Okay. So the pink one, let's find the pink one. It's going to be, the full circle was 16 pi. Half of it will be 8 pi. So I'm going to write, this would be 8 pi. Now let's go with the green one. The green one, you see, this was 1. The radius of this was 1, right? The radius of this from here to here will be 2 of these, so it will be 2. Okay, so the area of this green will be 4 pi, 2 squared pi, but we want half of it only, so this green one will be 2 pi. So now 8 pi minus 2 pi will become this orange part. I'm going to use orange. Will be 6 pi. Good. So I'm going to add the 6 pi. This is the shaded part. The orange part was here, 4 pi. And we're going to only simplify this. Okay. So it will be 10 pi over 16 pi. So pi's will also be simplified. Dividing both of them by 2 will be 5 over 8. So the answer will be E.